This is where organization goes out the window and a nice clean project turns a little bit ridiculous. Well, first off, okay, it's that time of year now where you're gonna start hearing my shop furnace in the background of videos. Sorry about that, it's Canada. I'm waiting on parts for a few different things. Got lots of things now. The Gilson's working great. The yellow Poulan's working great. Yeah, things are starting to kind of come together and get complete. So next in line, just chronologically, because it goes way back to the very, very beginning of ShopCat, the Weed Eater XT600. I had purchased a bunch of carburetor kits and they weren't correct for this or the John Sered. So I've ordered some more kits of the other style that was available on Amazon. I got 5 of them, so that should do the trick. This carburetor is already partly done using parts from the other kit, so it'll be easy enough to just finish off the job and then put the extra parts back into the other set, and I'll have one of those kits back. So without further ado, let's get carbing. So the diaphragm side being the same on all of these Walbros is already done, but this side, well, we've done the primer and the little check valve that's in there. So those are done, but the stuff on this side is not. So really, there's not actually a lot to do here. The one that has a little triangle on the end there. No, fuel pump does go directly on this. Goes fuel pump, I'm confusing myself. Okay, gasket goes on here. There we go. That is all we were waiting on. Something like that. I gotta fix that. There was a pin right there on either side that located there and held this together, and it is gone. So it's still down on this end. It's there, but on that end it's missing. So I think what we'll do is we'll just drill it and put a little machine screw through. Yeah, we'll probably get away with that. Even a roll pin actually would be pretty nice there. Actually, problem. I can't put a roll pin through here because, duh, the shaft runs through there. For now, let's make it run. Oh, I have a sliver. Ow. So, on, choke on, see what happens. Oh boy. Bad things. Bad things.
I'm going back to the place desert dust bowl song, where the billman will call you almost every week. Wait your bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, born out a dream, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach. I left there with that hope on fire, a backseat for a bed in search for something brighter. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun, I'm going back to the place I ran from, where the earth and the men been hardened by life in the sun. Like my old man, he's 63, still swings a hammer, still tougher than me. What about my mother? Well, the last I heard, she was strung out on Demerol and some of those neighbors. I miss my good friend, look how far we've come. Oh, settling down now, I guess we're worn out from the run. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun. Now I'm headed back, got the radio on, they're still playing Haggard's working man song. And I'm coming full circle, trying to make my peace with my past and the ghosts that still haunt me. Remembering the good times more than the bad, that Dust Bowl country, heart-worn land. I'm going back to the place where I ran from, palm tree, broken roads, desert Dust Bowl sun. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun. Take me on back to that Dust Bowl Valley, Dust Bowl Valley sun.
It's that bearing. Sit for a while. Everything is bagged up now and ready for reassembly when the time comes. I gotta go order some parts. Whoa. Right there. The big cat-faced spider. And that fly was just buzzing and got caught in the web. And now it has stopped because she is injecting it with her venom right now. Nature's
I'm
bitch.
going back to the place I ran from, palm trees, broken roads, desert Dust Bowl sun.